Okay, so I'm here in Berlin. It's like 8:30 in the morning and I'm on my way to the Rammstein shop. Very excited. Off we go.
Wie dit er niet.
So we've had a fantastic time and spent lots of money, but yeah, exciting day. Anyway, time to make my way back home. See ya! Well, that's Christmas shopping sorted.